For example 3, we're going to evaluate a function, and it says g of x equals negative x squared plus 4x plus 1. So for a, I'm going to find g of 2. Okay, so g of 2 is going to be equal to negative parenthesis 2 squared plus 4 times 2 plus 1. Notice that I put parentheses around the 2. Notice that the minus sign is outside the parentheses because the negative is in front of x squared. So this makes negative 2 squared is 4. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1. Negative 4 plus 8 plus 1, which is going to be 5. So g of 2 equals 5. I do not divide by 2. It does not mean that. This is the same as y equals, and the 2 is the number I put in for x. Okay? Part B wants us to find g of t. Alright, well for g of t, it's going to be negative parenthesis t squared plus 4t plus 1. Everywhere I see an x, I put a t. So g of t equals negative t squared plus 4t plus 1. And that's it. For part C, it wants us to find g of x plus 2. And I'm going to do this in a different color. Tell the difference. So everywhere I see an x in the original function, I'm going to replace it with x plus 2. So it's going to be negative parenthesis, take out x, put in x plus 2, quantity squared, plus 4, take out x, put in x plus 2, and then plus 1. Okay? For x plus 2 quantity squared, in my think brain over here, I'm thinking x plus 2 times x plus 2, x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. So now I have negative parenthesis x squared, 2x plus 2x is 4x plus 4. Distributive property plus 4x plus 8 plus 1. Now my negative sign is going to do distributive property. So negative x squared minus 4x minus 4 plus 4x plus 8 plus 1. And lastly, I'm going to collect like terms. The only x squared term is negative x squared. I have negative 4x and positive 4x. They cancel out. Negative 4 and 8 is 4. Plus 1 makes positive 5. So g of x plus 2 equals negative x squared plus 5.